My name is Brian McCarthy. I'm a research officer based in Teagasc Moorepark. In terms of establishing clover on our farms, there are two main methods we can use. The first one is in our direct reseed, and there are a couple of key things we need to keep in mind when we're reseeding and trying to establish white clover. So the first one is that we need to make sure that soil fertility is optimum. So by that we mean soil pH is 6.2 or higher, and that we're at index 3 at least for P and K. The second thing is then that we need to make sure that we have a fine firm seed bed, and that when we're setting the grass seed and clover seed, we need to make sure that we don't set it too deep, as this may impact the clover establishment. In terms of managing the reseed then, the post-emergent spray is absolutely critical in terms of controlling weeds in that sward, and using the correct spray at the correct time is vitally important. The second method then that we can use to establish clover is oversowing, and we can oversow via broadcasting the clover seed in a fertilizer spreader or by stitching it in. But again, a couple of key points to remember are that we need to make sure that we're identifying the paddocks that have the best chance for the clover to establish, so that they've basically, again, high soil fertility, they're clean swards, and that are relatively open to give the clover best chance to establish. April-May time is the best time to oversow, because soil temperatures are increasing, and it gives us time then to manage the swards afterwards in terms of grazing at a relatively low cover. And we want to try and use about 2 to 2.5 kilos of clover seed when we're oversowing. And then the last point then is to try and avoid cutting silage in the reseed or in the oversown paddock for the first year after reseeding or oversowing. For further information on how to establish clover on your farms, visit Teagasc website or contact your local advisor.